using the Data Hive to measure light intensity for the LDR required practical. In this experiment, we will be looking at how the Data Hive can be used to measure light intensity for the LDR required practical. This experiment is ideal for physics and electronics. For this experiment, you will need your Data Hive, 4 wires and crocodile clips, a dimmable light source. Alternatively, you can use a normal light source and just move your LDR further away to decrease the light intensity. You will also need an ammeter, a voltmeter, a cell, and of course an LDR. Connect your circuit as shown. Alternatively, you can connect the LDR to the Data Hive and use it as a voltmeter to allow you to record live data for light intensity and voltage. Ensure that the Data Hive is connected in parallel to the LDR. Once your circuit is complete, secure your Data Hive in front of your light source and you can begin to change the light intensity. Here you'll be able to see how the light intensity changes as we increase the light intensity. If you use the portable version, you will need to push the button on the bottom left of the Data Hive and read from the scale in the middle. If you are using the live plotting feature to connect to Data Hive, you can scroll down and see the graph for light intensity. This is a great opportunity to discuss the importance of data loggers in accurate experimentation.